Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julia Rose and I went to Paris for 3 days, 2 nights, and I'm just going to show you what I packed because I did a pretty good job. Now I can definitely say that having a more considered, more thought out wardrobe as a whole, which is what I've been sharing with you since like a couple of years now, has definitely helped with packing because I know that everything goes together. So that really helps. All my bottoms go with my top, so no matter what the weather is, I knew that I had plenty of outfits, but I didn't need to pack everything. It wasn't stressful at all. I packed everything in this suitcase. It is really easy. It does this thing. It's my first suitcase that rolls like this. So I don't even have to do this. That was really handy. It has my initials on it. And it's hard, so I just knew that everything was safe and secure in there. I cannot recommend these enough. Love my suitcase. I pack all my toiletries in these little baggies. They are just super handy. You can get ones that are plastic lined for your liquids and makeup. You can also get your initials on them. I think I just like getting my initials on stuff. I think that's a common theme. And I did bring an extra large Longchamp bag just in case I did some shopping while I was there. I did a little shopping. No clothes though, just chocolate. These are always handy to have while traveling. I think these are just like the best travel bags when it comes to duffels. So this is the outfit I wore while I was traveling. I wanted to wear layers in case I got too hot, too cold. I was on the Eurostar, so super easy. And I wanted to wear some bulkier items that I didn't want to pack. So I've got my chunky boots, my leatherette leggings that are my hero piece. I wore them most days. A blazer, this belt around my blazer. You know, H&M, this is from H&M, are doing some really great belts at the minute. I'll link some below. So that could have been my outfit by itself, but I wanted to wear a coat because I didn't want to pack 2 coats, taking up loads of room in my suitcase. And I carried my handy favorite bag, the Lucia large in brown, because I know I could do it crossbody or handheld and feel super chic. Call me old-fashioned, but I like dressing up to travel. This is all I took. And I'll put them together and show you how and why for some outfit inspiration. So this was my first day look. We got to the hotel and dropped our bags, and then we went and met some friends for lunch, and this was just the perfect outfit to be wearing. But then we were going out for dinner and I needed to change my look. So I changed into this perfect little evening jacket and bag and changed my leggings and shoes. Now I've lost a whole bunch of footage, but I just wanted to show you this amazing oversized denim jacket. I've probably shown it to you before, and I feel like a striped t-shirt is just quintessentially Parisian, and I wore them loads with the leggings and the t-shirt with the jeans. And I love this dress. I think it's just super chic, very comfortable, and what's most is that it irons like a dream. And you kind of have to think about that when you're packing to go somewhere, because if it doesn't iron well or it doesn't pack well, then you're probably not going to wear it and it's a wasted opportunity. But this irons so easily. Most hotels will have an iron that you can borrow, or an Airbnb or wherever you stay. And I just love it. It's easy to wear. It's comfy. It's very chic. Fishtails out. And I could wear some lower heels with this dress, I think. Keeping it French chic style with my camel coat, brown bag. Or I could have worn my black evening bag. But this is what I chose, because I just love this bag so much. And that was my outfit for a dinner. Very comfortable, very easy to wear, very chic. Again, as is Paris. So that was a bonus. Then the next day, I wanted more of a comfy, cozy vibe. So I opted for this gorgeous cashmere jumper, which I adore. It's just so cozy, oversized, so I just feel very comfortable in it. Love this jumper. Paired with this jacket, which is one of my new favorite purchases of all time. Camel, cream, and black. It's one of my favorite color combinations. So this was a fab outfit, again for walking around and being comfy, cozy, and then I traveled in it later in the afternoon. just so unbelievably easy. I have this collared up, roll up the sleeves, unzip it when it wasn't that cold, just perfect. And then this, because this was a bulkier piece, I wore this traveling and hung it up so I could fit more in my suitcase because, like I said, I did buy a lot of chocolate. I've almost worn everything I packed. There were just 2 pieces that I didn't end up wearing, but were really, really good to have just in case. If you watch my channel a lot, you'll know I don't buy tons of lounge or sportswear. I'm not the most active person, but I did buy this sweatshirt from Mango, and it's one of my new favorite pieces. I love the balloon sleeve. It's just more of a chicer sweatshirt. I find hoodies make me feel automatically like a bit drowsy and groggy, and sweatshirts I'd rather wear a jumper, like a nice knit. But this one is just super chic, love it, and easy. So I thought if we had some downtime at the hotel, this is what I would wear, but we didn't actually. We were out the whole time, which was amazing, but good to have nonetheless. Also, I've said it before and I'll say it again, every wardrobe should have a crisp white shirt. This one is fabulously oversized, and I think the rule applies to a travel wardrobe as well. So I didn't actually wear this, but I could have if it was a little bit warmer, or if I had another day there, I definitely would have worn this. I just think it's so chic, tucked in. It gives that nice billowy, oversized fit. Just with some layering jewelry. I mean, I didn't take a lot of jewelry at all, just some beautiful pieces from Monica Vinader, stackable pieces, my initial necklace, and my wedding ring, and these gold hoops, which are just so easy to wear and go with every outfit, day and night. So I didn't have to think about my jewelry too much going with my outfit. It's just not my thing, but obviously, feel free. But yeah, that's everything I took. Everything I did wear, could have worn, and it was just so easy. Everything fit in my suitcase, no problem. And it is just going back to those fundamental basics of layers, tones that go together, and pieces that just work as a capsule wardrobe. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I've listed everything I've talked about, or a similar item if I can't find it in stock, down below. Please subscribe to my channel because I'd love to have you back, and I'll see you again soon.